What's up, guys? It's your boy Kwekunashi again, bringing you a great video. And I've not been uploading off late because of this quarantine and stuff. Because like my tripod that I used to record with, it's got broke. Yeah, I went to school with it, and due to this coronavirus case, so they said we should come back home. So as I was unpacking, and unfortunately for me, it got broke. Yeah, it got broken. So I ordered another one, but it's on the way due to this pandemic stuff. So it's a bit delaying. You understand? But we're going to make a permanent one in my room. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in my room. We're going to make a permanent one that we'll use. Yeah, so this video is actually not a tutorial, but what's the name? It's like a DIY. It's like a DIY. I'm going to do it myself. So I have my materials and my tools. Yeah, so stick it up on the wall right over there. Yeah, right over there where my table is. Let me bring my camera wall so you can get my table. Alright, you see my table and my chair. So that's where we're going to mount the stand for the camera. But actually I got a new camera, and it's a bit smaller. That's like an Action Pro, the GoPro. Yeah. So we're gonna mount it after, then put it on that we can make videos. Now I'll get access to my phone because I've been recording with my phone on the tripod. You understand? So yeah, I'll walk you guys through it. So whatever happens, we'll get to know. Alright, so let's jump into the video. Let me get into a better outfit so we can work. And I wanna do this here, so let me do it in a cool transition. So let's see from here. So alright. So let's get into the video. So we can, so all my materials and tools now. So let's get into the video. Hi guys, so we are out, and we are going to cut the pipes now. So let me turn my camera to the pipe so we can do the actual way. I'm about to cut it. Kick. Here, so I need to hurry up. Now you need to head into the room. We'll see whether they fit. It's going to be this way, and like let's say this is the wall. I have my wall and my table around here somewhere. So it's just a sketch, a quick sketch. So this is the table and my wall. This is my wall. So we're going to mount it this way, something like this. You can see the elbows. So it's going to be this way. Then the camera will be on top. So I'll place the camera this way. Then I have my camera there. Something like this. So just an illustration so you guys can understand. So and I stick it to the wall this way. Then we have so I can place my sketch pad down, so I can shift this to this side and this side, left or right. That way then I can record my YouTube videos. Then I can make some sketches then. Yeah. So that's how we are going to mount it. So this way, I hope it turned out great, channel. So we are going to give it a shot. So we'll video it through and we'll see how it turned out. Alright. So let's stick to the end, so we'll get to see what we are going to do. This one's up this way. Guys, we're almost done. As you can see, this is how we're going to do it. Then here's where I'm going to put the camera. So we'll skip to the end so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. So I think it's straight for sure. This is blue. Okay. We're going to leave it up to dry, then later we'll come back and we'll stick it to the wall with one of these. So we'll stick it up this way onto the wall. So okay guys, so I think that's all much. That's all. And yeah, so I'll give you a preview of how it looks after it's on the wall. So guys, I think we are done. Understand? And yeah, our artists, you need to be creative. Don't stick to one thing. And alright. So don't mind the noise, just someone fixing something at the back of my room. So yeah, so let's take a review.